What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Bangin Gears, the YouTube channel about everything automotive. I'm Frank, and this is video number 2 from the Endless Summer Cruising event in Ocean City, Maryland, where I film and then I do the editing all night, and I drop a video every day during the event. I drop a video Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Each video, there's a chance for you to win some Bangin Gears swag. So yesterday's video number 1, we gave away a Bangin Gears fleece. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link above. Go check it out. Make sure you go in the running to win the fleece. Today, video number 2, we'll be giving away a Bangin Gears baseball cap. In order to be eligible, you need to like, comment, and subscribe on the Bangin Gears YouTube channel, and that puts you in the running to win the gear for that video. So watch all 4 videos and get yourself in the running to win all 4 pieces of swag. All the winners will be announced in a giveaway video on Saturday, October 16th. So make sure you stay tuned and watch that video and see if you're a winner as well. Also, if you're interested, you can check out our new Bangin Gears Garage Facebook group, which allows you to post things and be interactive with other members in that group. You can post photographs and videos of this event or anything you have going on in the automotive world. If you have an event coming up and you want to promote it, feel free to drop that flyer in there. If you're selling an automobile, you want to get some more looks on it, you could drop it there as well. So it's pretty interactive. I think it's a good thing. I think you're going to have fun. So the weather was awesome today. So hope you're enjoying what I'm doing so far, and hope you're enjoying the event. Don't forget, video tomorrow is number 3. Drive safe, and we'll see you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.